What is die casting? Die casting is a special casting process where the molten metal is injected under high pressure into the mold cavity formed by a set of reusable metallic dies. To understand how die casting is performed, consider the setup as shown. As we can see, the setup consists of two metallic dies, where one of them is fixed and the other is movable. The fixed die is called the stationary die, and the movable die is called the ejector die. The stationary die is further connected to a vessel via pipe. Then spray the hot lubricant in the cavities of the die with the help of a spray gun. Now remove the spray gun and move the ejector die towards the stationary die. Then open the valve of the vessel to allow the molten metal to fill the pipe. When the pipe gets filled completely, close the valve. Now apply some pressure on the molten metal. Due to pressure, the molten metal gets injected into the space of the mold cavity formed between the dies. Now allow the molten metal to cool for some time. Then remove the ejector die. We see that the solidified casting sticks to the ejector die. Remove this casting with the help of ejector pins. We see that in this casting, unnecessary projections are also joined. So to get the desired casting, remove these projections. Thus we get the desired casting as. Some of the examples where die casting is employed are carburetor, handlebar, and propeller. Note that stationary die is also called a cover die, as it acts as a cover for the molten metal. Related terms are